Hello everyone and welcome to another Excel chat walkthrough video. I'm your host Kevin Kelly. Today we're going to be talking about how to determine if a cell is blank or not blank within Excel. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So I have a table here with a couple of different company names, order values, and delivery dates. Basically what we're going to try to do here is say, okay, if there's no delivery date, that means it hasn't been delivered yet, which means in terms of the status, we want to know whether it's delivered or not delivered. So the way that we're going to do this is by using an if statement. So first I'm going to type in here equals if, and now it's asking for my logical test. So my first logical test is going to be C2 is equal to nothing, right? So if I put two sets of parentheses, it just basically means if it's equal to nothing, then I want it to display nothing. I just want it to be blank. I could say not delivered, or I could say in progress or something of that nature, but let's just say, let's just put it blank, right? Now, logical test, if false, we want to say delivered. Make sure that you put two parentheses in there. I messed that up, but it still worked. So as you can see in the formula, I did if C2, which is the delivery date here, is blank, then I want it to be returned as blank under status. But if it is false, which means if there is a delivery date, then I want to say delivered. So obviously that's very easy to comprehend, and then we can just drag our formula down. And as we have delivery dates in this column here, they will say delivered under the status column here. So this is a really simple formula to use. You can also use is blank, but typically for me, the if formula is a lot better, especially when you want to combine a couple of different things using the logical test feature.
Still have questions? Click to get help from a live Excel expert at Excel Chat.